welcome back to the channel. Nice to see you again. Today I'm going to show you a setup that I've made here in our living room. Tomorrow my wife's sister, which is my sister-in-law, is coming. She's a nurse, registered nurse, and she's doing a PhD on something with cardiac heart stuff and all that. And she's been asked to do a talk, which is going to be sent online, but not directly. So we need to record that and then put it in a PowerPoint presentation, so she can send that to them. Then she's going to be online and answering questions and all that. But so what we do is, what she would usually do, we would like to mimic that this is like the space she was going to do the talks in. There's going to be another camera here. This one is going to be there. I want to film this from two angles, so that if she stumbles on the words or anything, we can just take another take, and then where that mistake appears, I can just cut to another camera angle, so you won't really notice. Or if you notice, you just say, oh, it's just another camera angle. You won't really notice the sound, I hope. So this is what I've set up down here. She's going to wear something white. This is light gray, but she's going to wear white tomorrow. Either a uniform or a t-shirt or something with a logo on from the hospital. And therefore this dark or darkish background. I'm just going to pick up this camera and show you the rest of it. Well, before I do that, let me introduce to you this guy. This is, I need two hands for this. This is Antonio, and he's a guy that's nice to have to test the lighting and all that, so I can see what works the best in terms of light, in terms of the distance to the background and so on. So yeah, this is Antonio, nice guy. He's got no arms, but yeah, I just need a face. Maybe I need a face too. So this is the setup. You have Antonio here standing on this table, where as she's called, she's going to have her laptop on that. And then the background, which is in fact not super dark, but the fall off from the light from over here to the background, it kind of works nice. And I've got two lights set up. I will show you this one. A large soft box with a grid on to give a little bit of direction to the light. And there's this one over here, which is a big soft box, just soft box. I don't know if you can see this, but yeah, the exposure might not be the best in this end of the living room. So I'm just going to, I need to turn one of those lights so you can see the camera over here. So hang on while I do that. Turn that one over here. You can see a little bit of it. Now, our living room is one big mess, to tell you the truth, because our sheds are being rebuilt outside. Someone is working on that, so we have to put all that stuff in here. So it's really packed with stuff and gear and photo gear, and also other things that we had out there, old toys and yeah, stuff like that, old cameras, well, you know, there's paint over there and stuff like that. So it's a bit crowded in here. I've drawn the blinds behind, so you probably won't be able to see a lot of it, so I hope not. Over here, we have one camera set up. You can't see this, can you? You really can't see this. Something like that, yeah. There's a camera here. There's another tripod there with my headset on it. And then these lights, as you can see, now you can see them much better. It's just a cheap soft box and another soft box over here. Now the lights are, oh, can you see this? Oh, do I have to walk around the table? I can't do that. Hang on, I'll show you the other one instead. Just move this tripod here. So this one is in fact an old lamp from our living room that is just attached to here. And then I put this softbox onto it. Can you see that? Is that going to be in focus around there? No, not really. There, somewhere. And it's got an LED bulb inside. I'll show you that, a picture of that in the end of the video. There's a similar light source in that one, also one of those LED bulbs. Put in a video lamp that is, well, it's just a cheap lamp. But the best or good thing about that, hang on, I'll just get over there. Oh, see if I can get over there. Yeah. Daylight lamp, it's called. But this one has got the bones mount, so I can use my usual, this softbox and other softboxes I can use for that one, so that's quite nice. So yeah, just wanted to show you this. I get back to this camera over here. So you can move now, Antonio. I'm done with you. So yeah, like that. And as you can see now, there's a bit of a shadow behind me. That's why I'm using two lights. I don't want any shadows. I don't want any distractions in the background. So that's why I'm using two lights. But if I was going to do something more with the character, I'd settle with one, or maybe have one that is not that bright. But the problem with these lights are that they're just on or off. I can't tweak them, and I can't change the colors either. So yeah, cheap lights, cheap setup really, but it works. It works nice, and yeah, I'm looking forward to tomorrow, and let's see if that works then. I might show you, if she allows me to, I might show you a bit of the results in the end of this video, but otherwise, if not, you can take a look at the light bulbs, and yeah, and I hope you enjoyed this little video on how you can make a very, very, very simple setup in your living room. So thanks for watching. Bye.